All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use custom menus with your WordPress blog. Now, this is how a default WordPress 3.0 2010 theme would look like. And as you can see, the top navigation menu here only displays your default WordPress 3.0 2010 theme blog pages. Now, with WordPress 3.0 and above, you can actually design your own custom menus. Now, how to do that is to log into your WordPress dashboard and then click on Appearance. Then click on Menus. And then on the main menu screen, the easiest way to get started is just to enter a new menu name. So I'm going to call this Default and then click on Create Menu. Okay? Now, you can see that the default menu has been created. So the first thing you want to pay attention to is the theme locations. And it says here, your theme supports one menu. Select which menu you would like to use. So again, the amount of menus that you can use on a particular theme's main navigation area is really dependent on the type of theme itself. For the default theme, I can use one menu for the top navigation. So I can either select the default or I can put it to blank. So I'm going to select default at the moment, and let me scroll down a little bit. So you can see that my new default menu is pretty much empty, right? So what I'm going to do is that I can either select some of the pages to be included. In this case, I only have one page, so I'm going to select the one page I have, and then click on Add to Menu. And as you can see, the one page that I've added is now in my menu. And as I can expand this, I can actually rename the label of the page. So as you see here, here's the label. So the page itself, by default, the original name is About. But I can change it to About Me if I want to. All right? And then I can add some more links to this menu by looking at my categories. So if I want to add a particular category, for example, like test category, I can just click on that and then add to menu. And I can see that the test category now is here. And again, I can expand this, and again, I can give it a custom name if I would like to as well. Now, with WordPress 3.0 and above, you're not really limited to the only content on your WordPress blog. You can actually even add a menu to any website that you want. So to do that, you can just put the website in that you want under custom links. So I'm going to put in google.com, give it a label as well, titled Google, and then click on Add Menu. Okay, now you can see that the new menu is here, right? Google.com. And the navigation label is Google. Now, once I've added all the links that I want in my menu, I can always reorder those links. And in this case, you can see that this link is slightly indented, which means now that I have put Google, I've put that link as a child of the main About link. If I don't want it to be a child of the main About link, and I want it all on the same level, then I can just drag it here. And once I drag it, you can see the differences. It's very easy to do. Just be careful exactly where you put it. If you put it here, it becomes a child. And if you put it here, it becomes a parent link. All right? And I can change this About as I want to, and then click on Save Menu. All right. My menu has now been saved, so let's go back to theme, and this is the default menu navigation link. So I'm going to refresh that, and as you can see now, Google appears. This is my custom menu. Now, not only can you display your custom menu and your main navigation header links here, but you can also display in your sidebar. So to do that, go to Widgets, and then select the widget area, which is what we'll do next. We'll select the widget area that you want to put your custom menu into. And you can just drag that custom menu like this right into your widgets. and make sure that you select, which one you want it to go into. And then you can give it a title. And I'm going to call mine Site Navigation. Then I'm going to click on Save. Now, let's go back and take a look at your blog again. And this is how it looks like in the default setting. So I'm going to refresh. And now you can see my custom menu over here. So let's take a look at how this menu would look like if I actually put some pages or links as a child to the actual main link itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back. We're going to go back to menus and make sure that I've selected my default menu. And now I'm going to make the About Me as a child of the test category, okay? And make sure you click on Save Menu. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to refresh the page so you can no longer see the About Me page. It's no longer listed there. But if you move the mouse over the test category, now you can see the About Me page under the test category. And that's how child menus work. And in fact, for the sidebar navigation, you can actually see that child menu About Me is slightly indented under the main or the parent menu item, which is test category. So that's how easy and fun it is to customize your WordPress blog using your own custom menus.